Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make text bold in Google Chat. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To make text bold in Google Chat, open your browser and go to Google Chat, and from menu bar on left side select your chat friend, and here in typing area you will find an option formatting options. Click on the formatting options icon, and here the first one is bold. Just select bold and then you can type your chat. I am typing IT system admin, and look, everything will be typed in bold type. Now I'm going to send. Look, the message is bold right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.